My name is Chari Hawkins. I'm a Team USA heptathlete, and today I'm going to show you how I use the MonkeyFeet in my everyday training. We have this incredible contraption from Animalhouse Fitness, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works because it seems a little intimidating at first, but it's really easy to use. Take this hook right here, and you're going to hook it right on. You just buckle in, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. One of the biggest things, especially as sprinters, is we have to make sure that our hip flexors are strong because we need that knee drive in order for us to go faster. So I really love incorporating knee drive, and you can also see that while I'm doing it, I'm being really strict with my mechanics in running form too, so that I can really increase that muscle memory. So now when I'm getting ready to run down the runway, I can lift my knees up. They're gonna be nice and strong. It's gonna react. It's gonna be great. The next exercise I wanna show you is gonna be increasing that hamstring strength and stability. The one thing that's really good about MonkeyFeet is since we're doing one at a time, this muscle group is working, but do you know what other muscle group is working? Is this stability muscle group. So I'm strengthening this hip. With the MonkeyFeet, I wanna be really stable and strict, and so I'm also increasing my foot strength with balance. I'm increasing my knee strength with making sure that everything is nice and stable, and that's really doing that because it's really engaging this hip, which is gonna help with everything. So not only are we working the side that's doing the work, but we're also stabilizing as well. For this next exercise, you're gonna want something to hold on to, and you're gonna want some sort of step or box or something that you can have a difference in height. And this is because we're doing hip hikes. So I love hip hikes because we're stabilizing a new part of the opposite stabilizing leg, which is gonna be a little bit more up higher on the hip. We relax our hip down and then we pull it high. And so being able to get strength in this mobility is crucial for running. We're also gonna increase our endurance when we run as well. So I absolutely love these hip hikes. I wanna show you how the MonkeyFeet transfer into something I would do on the track. I'm gonna take hurdles, for example, even though it applies to so many things, running, jumping, and throwing. But I'm gonna use hurdles because I've got them right here in front of me. Basically, those hip hikes, the knee drives, and the hamstrings are all gonna be working for hurdles. So let me start by doing hurdle walkovers. As I go over the hurdle, I'm using that knee drive. As I step down, I'm using that hip hike. And as I come around and snap, I'm actually using that hamstring. So all three of those are working in just this movement. So I come up, I come down, I come around, and I'm using every single one of those movements that I did. So by increasing and strengthening all of those muscles, I'm increasing my capacity to do something so simple like go over a hurdle more efficiently and way quicker. And so my times are gonna go way down because my efficiency has gone way up.